Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome back to another trending news. Now, Koolie and Happy Wife been at it for the longest. For those of you who follow up TikTok, now in them latest standoff, Happy Wife I tell Koolie say him nah grow the little girl good, and Koolie come out and defend him parenting skills. Not only that, Happy Wife also made comments about Koolie's unwillingness to work. She say yo him lazy, and that's why him run go get engaged to the foreign girl. This came shortly after Koolie made public his engagement. So Happy Wife pretty much has said no matter where Koolie go in the world, him lazy, him not go and work, and a woman have to go mind him. You understand? Now, I want to listen to both sides of the story and tell me one thing.
I heard that he used to live on the street and like him now so well, whatever, but Koolie is very, 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 very disrespectful to female. When him tell you which part trust me, when a matter go a court with him and the judge hand over a child to him to grow a child as a single father, you know say that the mother they are the scum of the earth. CDA workers and probation officers have them hand tied. Have them hand tied because what? There's nobody better to get to the pitney them. Because Koolie is very, very disrespectful to women. How can you be growing a daughter when you have no respect for female? He has zero respect for women. I don't know at all.
Never do that. Never ever. And you can't tell me say ever say me take my baby and put her in front of the screen and sit down with her and say, beg you this to share. Never. Never ever. So please, when you come for me alone, not my baby. Take my baby outside. Take on the mouth off of my youth. Take on the mouth off of my youth. Me nah got, bro. Hey, sometimes I have to wonder if someone know why I'm over me. Sometimes I have to just love it to blood. Class. Better me just love it. I come like say, no care how me I try to change my life. No care how me I try to change my life to blood clot. There is people want me go down the road and me corrupt again and do be a fuckery. No care how me come so and me I try to change my life every day. Me try. And it's like you know want me go back down and fuck up road and just do be a fuckery. That you know want. You know. I mean no not try hard. I know I'm gonna make a video, then I know I'm gonna record this and put it up because I don't know if I want little engagement cause the problem where everybody just all used to like Koolie that like him again. All used to like Koolie that like all used to like Shay. Me not like her, me spirit not take her. Me spirit not take her from morning, but 2,000, 3,000 people sit down watch her. I go to school every morning. You can imagine you not like one baby. You not like one baby, you know. But 2,000, 3,000 sit down every morning and watch your baby go to school. But you not like her? Come on, man, bro. We have mental problem there. So, how much I want to go far? Not me not talk about people that get 5. How much I want to do when they go far and we need to more than look a man to get to the papers are no good. Make it be real now. See? Facts and truth. We are big people. Right? Now, if me and my woman there so, right? And my woman decides say, here we go on now. Me want you with me there. What is the problem? I just want to know why problem. Me see again a video, the same woman make a video and say, you know what she said no? She said when she meet Chris. Well I know. Listen now. She said when she meet Chris never have nothing. Chris did homeless. Chris never work. She see him one side and she said she take him and beat him off. She said she take him, make him can travel the world, make him get visa. She said she build him in a man him is to the day. So what I don't know, why if you see one next woman now, take a man and say, you know what, me be the half for me and you, what is the problem? Why difference? Tell me, what is the difference?
I love when Gaina come to visit. I get me little goodies, I get me local fruits and me get me bread pudding and me get me Koolie, come here. You missed the boat, man. Koolie, the conversation was not woman not fi help man. The conversation is that the woman not fi help you because you're lazy and you're worthless. And no matter where in the world you go, you will not work. Koolie, Chris joined the army at 18 years old. And he served the people of Jamaica for more than 20 years. More than half of his life. And he's now getting his pension. He fell on hard times. I helped him back on his legs. And he was always working. You missed the boat, man.
Alright, my viewers, in other news, Kizzy and Kiprich laid their baby miracle to rest today in what we see was a very short but mournful funeral service. The parents paid their final tribute to their baby girl. It was very hard to watch. No parent should ever have to bury their child. No casket should ever be that small. We have some highlights here for you. I know you really want to see. You just go ahead and watch and leave your comments below.
Sing grace, how sweet the song that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see.
Help me process all of the cord, because since the day you were born, Mommy had to keep moving. There was never a night's sleep. I couldn't sleep.